Hi, we're here today with Squeeby Waka Waka at the WakaTech Labs. Hi, Squeeby.
How's it going, Access?
It's going pretty good.
All right.
Well, this is quite a lab you have here.
This is where we do the research and development to produce the new video products that are going to enhance Second Life and bring happiness to people's lives.
Yeah, I was kind of curious. What is this huge thing that says Tube-O-Rama on the wall?
The WakaTech Tube-O-Rama is our solution for people who are sick and tired of having to pick one or two video players and have a selection of 10 or 15 or 20 different videos. With the WakaTech Tube-O-Rama, we give them all of YouTube as their source of videos for watching in Second Life.
Wow. So you mean I can go on to YouTube with this while I'm sitting in my little house in Second Life and watch movies all day?
Almost. Using this with your web browser, you can go to YouTube, find a video that you want to watch or show to your friends, and then you can come back into Second Life with it, give the URL of the video into the WakaTech Tube-O-Rama, and it will then, in the background, download the video, convert it so that it's playable in YouTube or in Second Life, and then it will stream the video out to your viewer within Second Life so that you can watch it with your friends.
Wow. I'm sorry. I didn't know you couldn't do that already.
You can't, actually. Right now, all the videos that are on YouTube are in a format that isn't playable by the QuickTime player that's built into Second Life. And for that reason, I've created this product which allows people to automatically have those videos swapped over so that they can be shown.
Oh, okay, I get it now. All right, I knew that the QuickTime had to be like the viewer that you watched in Second Life. I just didn't realize there was some adjustments that have to be made to make it compatible to Second Life.
That's right. There's only certain formats of video that can be played through QuickTime, and one of them is not the one that's used by YouTube, which is a flash video format. So it's not possible to just directly bring a video into Second Life and watch it, but we make it possible through the back-end server that runs in the background.
Now, how does that affect the performance, or does it affect the performance of Second Life when you're doing all of that behind the scenes and then you're getting ready to watch a movie?
Well, the work is actually done by a separate machine, which I operate in a data center in the United States. So there's no actual impact on the performance of Second Life because Second Life itself isn't doing the work.
Oh, I gotcha. Okay. So if I'm on a fairly good machine running Second Life and not crashing all the time, and I do want to watch a movie, then it's not going to take my resources and crash me more?
It will not. And I'd love to find that machine that doesn't crash all the time. That'd be great to have. But yeah, it will not actually take any of the resources away from your computer while it's processing the video.
Well, that's good to know, because a lot of people, they have that issue. They can't do, other things with Second Life, like I can't open up my email and do Second Life at the same time because I crash, that kind of thing. So that's good to know that it's really compatible with Second Life.
Oh yeah, it works quite well. And plus, once the videos have been brought into Second Life through the player, you can go back and reload them at any time. You can get back into your history, look at previous videos, and then do them from there. But this way, you can see all the videos that you've previously loaded and instantly come back to them. So you don't even have to worry about opening a browser while running Second Life if you've already converted some videos over.
Oh, cool. Can you show me quickly how this works?
Sure. What I've done is I've loaded up I found on YouTube a Second Life cable network commercial that we can now bring in and load up. So the first thing I do is you can see over on the right side of the screen we have a control panel. Mm-hmm. I click the control panel, it brings up a menu. On the menu, I then simply choose the change option. And when I choose the change option, it's going to ask me what is the URL of the video that you want to bring into Second Life. I then say the URL out, prepending it with the word Tube-O-Rama so it knows we're talking to it. And it will then work on downloading the video. If you can see on the lower screen here, it now says downloading, and it'll say what the title of the video is. In this case, Play Golf in Second Life. Mm-hmm. We wait a few seconds. It will then start to process the video. Like it now says, processing Play Golf in Second Life. And a couple of seconds later, it's going to finish processing the video. We're going to be able to watch that video here on the screen. All of this happens on a back-end server. Each time you want to change a video, there is actually a charge of 10 lindens against an account that you maintain in the Tube-O-Rama. Everyone who starts using the Tube-O-Rama gets a 500 linden credit to start using it, so they can convert up to 50 videos without any additional charge. And this is just to cover the expenses of the server that's operating to change the video, store the video, and to use the bandwidth up to stream it to you after it's been processed.
Oh, I see. Now, my video button is not active.
We aren't actually finished processing the video at this point. It's still running it. It's still processing it. All of the video playback is actually handled through the Tube-O-Rama itself. It's not done through the video button. And the reason for that is that when you're watching a video, your friends can actually click the panel if they arrive late and sync up and watch it from the exact same position that you're currently watching it at, so that you don't have to worry about hitting play at the same time.
Oh, I see. So if they come in like half hour into a movie, they're going to miss that first half hour?
Yeah, but they're going to be at the exact same position you are, so that you're enjoying the same movie at the same time.
That's cool. All right. So I saw where it said push the button. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll hit play, brings it up on the screen, scales it up for us, and then we're able to watch the commercial within Second Life on the TV.
Sound and all. That's very cool.
And this way, after the fact, once you've finished playing the video, you're able to go back, you're able to view your history, browse through, find videos you've watched previously, so that you can enjoy them again. There's even a function included that allows you to randomly view videos that are currently in the catalog, of which we have over 1,300 videos currently recoded by our users. So by hitting the random button, you never know what you're going to get, but you can browse through and enjoy all those different videos that others have already brought in. So in theory, you could use it without ever having to recode your own videos, just by randomly picking through the ones that others have already watched.
Oh, that's great. How would somebody find out or get signed up for this, or whatever it is that they do to get this service?
Essentially, we offer it through a couple of locations. If you do a search online, you can just look for WakaTech in a land search, and you'll find locations where it's for sale or for display. You can also go onto the SL Exchange and find it in the marketplace there, again, just by searching for the word WakaTech.
Great, great. And I know you have a slogan or some kind of a motto that you want to share.
Well, given our environment and the outfits we tend to wear here at WakaTech, we like to say that everything's powered by science.
Thank you so much, Squeeby.